Alright guys, got another interior detail on this Chevy truck. You see it needs a deep clean. See all the dog hair embedded in it. The dirt inside the leather right there, we'll get that all out. Here's the before. I'll be back to let you guys see the after. Alright guys, just got all the trash cleaned out of here. Get all this stuff up out of here. Let's go ahead and get the carpets cleaned. Alright, that's a lot better. Just a quick vacuum, we'll come through and clean these carpets. All finished up on this here truck. Seats are deep clean. Floors are deep clean. This is the after. That's the after. Thanks for watching, guys.